We are counting down the top 5 places to visit in Maui.
Coming in at number 5 is Black Rock Beach in Kaanapali.
Usually this beach is absolutely packed, but when we were there, it was totally empty, which was awesome. It's right on the west side of Maui, long beach, and the water there is absolutely amazing.
It gets its name from these lava rocks at the end, so if you're into cliff jumping, great place to go.
Coming in at number 4 is Haleakala National Park.
In this park, you have tons of hiking trails and also the summit of the volcano.
The best time to go is either for sunrise or sunset. Personally, we went for sunrise, and you have to get there about an hour before sunrise, and then you'll be able to see some of the stars before the sun starts coming up.
Dress warm. You're at 10,000 feet and it might snow on you. It did for us. And once you have your national park pass, it's good for 3 days, so check out other parts of the park. Some of it goes all the way to Hana, and you can get on the other side of the volcano, so really make use of that and explore, see what else there is. Coming in at number 3, Cole's favorite, Big Beach.
This beach is also called McKenna, and it's on the west side of Maui, almost as far south as you can go.
Waves are huge. If you're into boogie boarding or getting obliterated by waves, it's your spot to go. If not, go to the right and you'll find Little Beach, a lot calmer.
Little Beach is a nude beach, which we did not realize. You climb over the rocks and you go right into Little Beach, so it can be kind of surprised if you're not expecting it. A bad surprise. And it's an awesome spot because you can see Molokini Crater and some of the neighboring islands that are not far away. Coming in at number 2 is
Iao Valley. It's located right in central Maui, really close to the airport, and it is a super green, super lush valley with a stream through the middle.
When you're in the valley, you're gonna see mountains all around you, and if you look up, you might find a phallic-shaped surprise. And there's also tons of hiking trails that take you down into the river, and it's a great place to take a dip.
Careful while you're walking, or you might have an avocado fall on your head. Make sure to pay attention to the signs and don't go anywhere you're not supposed to be. Some of these places are sacred, so just be respectful of the space that you're in. And finally, number 1. This is the road to Hana and some of the waterfalls along it.
This is the famous 60-mile road from Paia going all the way to Hana, and it is one of the most crazy roads in all of Hawaii.
Over 500 turns, cars flying down this road, 1-lane bridges, 1-lane stretches of road, cliffs. It is intense.
And there was countless waterfalls and awesome spots where you can pull out and go for on mini hikes. The one that we did was Twin Falls.
There are a couple different waterfalls at the very beginning that you can see, and it's on farmland, so you have some avocado trees, some ice cream bean trees, a lot growing. If you go past the gate, it's like a short hike, but you get to Caveman Falls, which is more secluded and a watering hole, and a bunch of little fish that nibble at your feet. It's a really cool place to be.
That was definitely my favorite one, was the one at the very end. So make the trek. I think it's only about 30 minutes out there. Definitely worth it.
Another stop that we recommend as part of our Hana Highway journey is the bamboo forest. Like it sounds, you just hike through a bamboo forest, a lot of bugs, cross the river a few times, and you're out at this big waterfall.
We went on the road to Hana tons of times, and there's just so much to explore.
And that's why it takes the number 1 spot.
All right, that is our top 5.
And if you're going to Maui and you want more tips like this, drop us a comment, DM us on Instagram. We'd love to chat.
Subscribe.
Subscribe.